I'd like to take this opportunity that I've been given by my Father. My task today, it is to testify of the truth. The truth is not in the Bible. Neither is the Bible the truth. For Jesus says, although the Bible being there, he says, I am the way, I am life, and I am the truth. He does not say it's the Bible that is the truth. Because the Bible has been divided into two.
Old Testament.
There is an Old Testament.
The New Testament.
And there is a New Testament.
Testament.
The word testament. It means testimony, therefore. In other words, testimony. It becomes the testimony or evidence of something that says it is the truth. However, the truth does not become truth.
That is why
That is why today you find people in jail having done nothing.
And
there are those who are outside of jail, but they've done things that would have made them to be jail. Because the court uses evidence. So to test and to check whether it is true. I am here to testify of the truth. Father, you are teaching us about forgiving our enemies. My testimony is God puts this difficult. He puts you into pain. And then he will call your relations so that they can see the difficulty in which you are and he gives them an opportunity to laugh. He calls your friends, even those that you converse with on social media, and he then displays you in difficulty. And then God will remind them how to laugh when somebody is in such difficulty. However, the beauty about this, that God reminds these people about your capacity. Remember that he is not even learned. Remember that even the background of his family. Remember that he is not even wealthy. Remember him that he will be unable to remove himself. God then allows you to make all plans. When all your plans deplete, all your plans when they deplete, and all your advices when they come to an end, when all your power comes to an end, then God comes. He then stretches his hand and removes you. What does to you of this pain? Making it to
kwegama likaThixo.
It means you are blocking the
Ngamanye
power
amazwi
of God.
xa usilwa nentlungu
When you are fighting with pain,
ulwa noThixo
you are fighting with God.
ngoba awufuni kukhonza uThixo ngeenyembezi zakho.
Because you don't want God to be glorified through your pain.
Ndicela ukubuyela ezinkosini.
Let me go back to the kings.
Ndicela ukunikhumbuza abazali bethu
Let me remind you, parents,
kuba yile nto ndiyimiselwe apha le.
that this is what I have been placed here for.
ODavid
David
yinkosi,
is king,
yinkumkani
is a king
yamaJuda.
of Jews.
UDavid mkhumbule
Remember this about David.
wayesenza imikhuba
He had certain behavior,
efana nemikhuba eyenziwa yinkosi yonke.
behaviors that resemble those of all other kings.
Inkosi
A king
iyakwazi ukusengela emlonyeni zapholo.
is able to take things unto his mouth,
Ukusengela emlonyeni
to milk unto your mouth.
yikwesikhule siyenza singabantwana kweluseni.
It's something that we grew up as children.
Awunakuthi
shepherding.
waluse inkomo apha
You cannot just when you are busy
ushiye
looking
inkomo
after cows,
ugoduka uyofuna ukudla.
and you just leave the cows and go back home.
Akho mntu
And
uphekela wena ekhaya.
there's no one who's cooking for you
Bekuthe
at home.
yalusa inkomo
You were asked to shepherd the
uba
flock.
zinobisi. Uba zinobisi
They have milk
usenga zona
that you then milk
uzisengele
them,
emlonyeni.
and you milk it unto your mouth.
Inkosi ke
Kings, therefore,
zazingayenziwa nguSathana loo nto.
it was not the devil that made them do that.
Nengayenziyo loo nto
The one that is not doing
ayina
that,
Sathana.
he does not have devil
Kodwa
as such.
nokungayenzi oku
But even not doing it
akulungisi into.
does not correct anything.
Jonga
Look here,
uDavid
David,
unesizwe
he's got the nation,
asikabona umuntu omhle
and then he sees the
kwabantu
people
abaphetheyo
unto the ones that he's
amthathe
leading.
amzeke
He takes that to
abone
his
umuntu
wife.
ongathi mhle ngaphezu
He
kwalo
will see another one who is
Amthathe,
much
amthathe.
beautiful. He will marry that
abone
one.
omnye
And you will see another one.
abone uba lo ngondoda yakhe nguYuriya.
And you will see that this one belongs to
Mandithatha
Uriah.
uYuriya ndimbeke ku-front line emfazweni
He then takes Uriah to the front
ukwenzela uba
line
uYuriya angabuyi
so that he may not come back.
ngoba ngeke kulunga uba uYuriya lo
It will not be well that Uriah
abe nento entle kanje.
can see a beautiful thing like this.
noko andenziwa kanje.
I am not done like this.
Kodwa jonga
However, look at this.
phezu kwayo yonke imikhwa yakhe
In all that kind of behavior,
uThixo wamthambisayo nje.
God then anointed him.
Uyambona ukumkani uDavide ngentambiso
He
yakhe.
owns David through the anointing.
Awugqiba amthatha amsikelele
And then he blesses him.
ambeka phambi kwakhe athi jonga
He places before him and said, look,
ndakuvelisela uKristu
I shall then bring forth Christ
ngokwenyama
through flesh
esinqeni senzala yakho
from your own loins.
ngokwenyama
Through flesh.
biologically
Ngokwenyama.
in other words
In other
Jonga
words,
uThixo akukhefula
God is being careful.
velisa
I shall bring forth Christ.
meaning apha kuwe ndimfihlile
In
uKristu
other words, Christ is there
kodwa
hidden in you.
kumlibo wakho ndiyawumveza
But in your genealogy, I shall then bring him forth.
ngoba uKristu
For Christ,
wabakho
he was there
lingekabikho iphakade
even before the world existed.
engulizwi
He was the Word,
ephila engumoya
and he was alive as a spirit.
wathi uzovezwa ngoyesu i-descendant kaDavid.
But he's being revealed in Jesus, the descendant
Kuphendulwa
of David.
uDavide kuphendulwa uDavide
David is now being responded to
umbuzo othi
the question that
utheni
says,
uThixo ezomvelisa endlini yekumkani uKristu.
why is he revealing him in the house of the king?
Yinto uba uThixo
It is because God
akasosiyatha
he is not a lunatic.
indlu akayakhela esantini
He will not build a house unto the
uyakhela
sand.
ityeni
He builds it unto a rock.
i-complete foundation
Uqilima kwale foundation
yokubeka umoya wenkosi onguKristu
of placing the Spirit of God that is Christ.
kuyanyanzeleka uba ibe bubukhosi.
It is important that it must become the
Yiyo le nto
kingdom.
uThixo aqhelekayo ngenkosi
That is why God is jealous about the king
kuthiwe kuzwene nkululeko.
and say there is now liberation.
Xa ijonga uThixo phakathi kwabantu abezena inkululeko
When God looks in the midst of the people who brought
kanti
liberation,
upresident
and the president,
ize nesiqalekiso le nto.
this thing has brought chaos.
Ushiya abantu kwelizwe
People are being left behind in this
kuthiwa
nation.
kuyolwelwa uba kubuye bazokhululwa.
They say, no, we've gone to fight
Bashiywa
for
nenkosi
liberation.
sibagcinile. Bashiywa nenkosi sibagcinile abantu.
And people who are left behind with the keys.
Zizwe ezazi abahlolokazi. Zizwe ezazi amadoda afileyo ezifazweni.
They are the ones who know the
Zizwe
widows.
ezazi
They are the
abantwana
ones who know the men who died on the war.
Kubuya abantu
And people then come back
ngo-1990.
in 1990.
Into yokuqala bahlangana nolutshaya esitratweni.
The first thing they meet up with the youth on the street,
Balufundisa izithuko.
they teach them curses.
Bawugqiba bakhomba inkosi.
And then they point at
Bathi
the kids.
zii-feudalist. Bawugqiba bathi abantwana benkosi
They then say the children of the kings,
mabathuke inkosi.
they must swear at the king.
Bayayazi
They know
into yoba once abantwana
once the children
baphula umthetho kaThixo.
break the law of
Bathi
God
nakuyihla
that
nonyoko.
says honor your father and mother, so the days may be longer
Babeke kuwo.
in the world God placed you.
Into yoba imihla yabantwana
They
iyawuqalekiseka.
know that the life of these children will be cursed.
Once abantwana
Once the children,
ulutsha lwelizwe
the youth of this
lufakwe
nation,
ingqondo yezithuko.
they are given the mind
Lufakwe
of
ingqondo
insult,
yokwenyelisa abazali.
the mind of insulting parents.
Amadoda nabafazi
Men and
bangqinelane. Bangqinelane.
They agree with each
Inkosi
other
ayile yakwenza nto.
that a king is
Eso
not,
sizwe siqalekisekile.
that nation is cursed.
Umphostoli enhloko usiza nongqondo.
The chief apostle says,
Enguye uKristu ophilayo namhlanje.
as the living Christ today,
Akenzi kubeqa kwento okwenza zinkosi.
he's not just doing things because he has
Ayisaka
nothing to
i-ATM. Abize nina.
do. He calls you.
Uzocima isiqalekiso
He's here to move off the curse
ngaphakathi kwesizwe.
unto the nation.
That is why i-ATM
It is for that reason ATM
political party.
is not a political party.
I-movement for
It
transformation.
is a movement of transformation.
Ukuba i-transformation
It is because it is transformation of the mind
enokulungisa
that corrects
umonakalo owenziwe ezingqondweni
all the iniquity made unto the mind
zabantwana base-Afrika.
of the children of Africa.
Ngoba abantwana
For
base-Afrika
the children of Africa,
umthetho wabo bavela kuthini.
all of them are from God.
Indlela
The way
yokubatshabalalisa
of destroying them
ukubahlukanisa nabazali babo.
is to move them away from their
Ukubahlukanisa
parents
neenkosi zabo.
and move them away from their kings.
Yindawo yenu lezi nkosi.
This is your place, kings.
Uyayibona le ndawo
You see, this place
yeyenu le.
is yours.
Kodwa ke ngoku ingxaki kaThixo nantsi.
But here is the problem of God.
Ufuna kuphinde futhi
He wants then again
utransformeke ingqondo yaba ababekele ukuba baphathe abantu.
that those who are placed to lead people must also be transformed in mind.
Mama uCembe, awukwazi
You cannot
ukuphatha abantu bakaThixo
lead the people of God
ungenayo ingqondo kaThixo.
if you do not have the mind of God.
Kuyanyanzeleka ukuba yiba nengqondo kaThixo.
It is necessary for you to have the mind
Uyintoni
of God.
uThixo?
Who is God?
Uluthando.
He is love.
Ngamanye amazwi,
In other words,
awunawuphatha abantu bakaThixo
you cannot lead people
ungenalo
of
uthando
God
lwaba bantu.
if you do not have the love of those people that comes from God.
Awunawuphatha abantu bakaThixo
You cannot lead people
ungenawo
of
umoya
God
kaThixo.
if you do not have the Spirit of God, which is love.
Aba bantu
For these
uyawuba
people,
sisiqalekiso kubo.
you shall be a curse unto them.
Ukubakho kwenu apha
Your presence over here,
kuyintando kaThixo.
it is the will of God.
Ukubakho kwenu apha
Your presence over here,
kwasekwa ningekazalwa.
it was made even before you were born.
uThixo xa ekulungisa
When God prepares you
ekulungiselela ukuphatha abantu bakhe,
and prepares you to lead His people,
wenza le nto ithethwa nguYesu amaSirayeli efuna ukumbulala.
He does what Jesus was saying when the Israelites
Esewabona
wanted to kill him.
uYesu uba la madoda akazumxolela la.
When Jesus noticed these men are not going to forgive
Uthi
him,
nina nithi ningaba
He
ka-Abraham.
says, you call yourselves of
Kwethu
Abraham,
uAbraham wayengeswa sibulala mntu.
but Abraham was not a killer.
Uyihlo nguSathane.
Your father is devil.
Uthi kanti ke noba ningamlahla
He
uThixo.
says, even if you may forsake
Noba
God,
ningamlahla uAbraham lo nikleyim uba
even
ningabakhe.
if you may forsake Abraham that you claim,
uThixo
but God,
angamvelisela uAbraham
He can
nakula matye.
make Abraham to be alive even unto these stones.
Ithetha ukuthini ngawe xa uyinkosi loo nto?
What does that mean about you as a king?
uThixo
God,
uthi awubona uba thina
when He sees that
neenkosi zethu
people during the time of war.
Sahamba sothengisa ngemihlaba kubelungu.
We sold out the land to the white men.
Sahamba sozenza ngcono kubelungu sangcolisa ezinye inkosi zethu.
We then went to the white men and made ourselves better and blaspheming other
Athi
kings.
sisithi ngonyana benkosi.
And we called ourselves sons of these kings.
Sathi inkosi emlungwini.
And we said king unto the
Sathi
white
inkosi
men.
emalini.
We said king unto money.
Kwabiwa imihlaba yobawe isabonga ngabokuhamba.
And the land of our father was divided by the
Abantwana
foreigners.
abashiywa ngobawo kuthi sizinkosi. Sikhonza umhambi.
We are now worshipping a foreigner.
uThixo wahamba wayematyeni.
God went to the stones.
Wavusa abantwana ematyeni.
He then made children alive.
Walanda amaphara notsotsi.
He took all the people who were on the streets.
Wathi nibani ngoceba kule mihlaba yezinkosi.
He says, now become the counselors into the land of kings.
Inkosi lizenza amakhwenkwe kuhlonitshwe nina singabuyona.
And you made these kings the non-entity
Ukuze sibuve ubuhlungu bokungami phezu kwenyaniso.
so that they may feel the pain of not standing
Sibuve
under the truth.
ubuhlungu bokukhetha imali kunenyaniso.
So that they may feel the pain of choosing money instead of the truth.
Uyabuza uThixo bangaphi Abraham abandikhonzayo kulo mhlaba
He is
wesizwe.
asking how many of these are worshipping me, Abraham.
Uthi balikhona inani noba lingakanani ndiyolisindisa elizwe.
He says, if there's even a small number, I shall save this world.
Namhlanje uyabuza uThixo uba zingaphi nonqunga inkosi ezilivayo ilizwi lakho.
God is asking how many kings, Father Nongunga, that
Noba
hear you.
zingaphi ezikuvileyo ndoyisindisa iSouth Africa.
It doesn't matter how many of those who hear you, I shall save South Africa.
Uba zikho ezikuvayo nonqunga.
If there are those that do not hear you,
Ngoba mina ndibeke wena.
Because I
Uba
blessed you.
ubelitya lokuthandazela mna kwabantu bami.
so that you may be the rock upon which people may worship me.
Ngenxa yobukho benu bomama inkosi notata inkosi kule nkundla.
Through you, mothers and the kings in this place,
ISouth Africa iyasinda.
South Africa will be saved.
ISouth Africa iyosindiswa kuba nimlandela utata Nonqunga.
South Africa will be saved because you have followed Father Nongunga.
Ewa kusuba manje kule ndlela.
Yes, it shall not be nice in this road.
Ngoba idaliwe.
Because it
Indlela
has been
yempumelelo
created.
iyenyuka. Uba inyukanga kodwa
The
inamandla.
path to success is going up. If it is not, it has some thorns.
Bathi igazi kufuneka liqale lichithekele labo abahamba phambili.
But the first blood that must be spilled is for those who are
Amadoda
pathfinders.
amagugelwe zihlangu ngalanga phambili.
The men whose shoes tend to come old are the ones who are in front.
Kulusizi ngomfundisi.
It is painful really about the reverence.
Khahla izibhedlela zezokunyanga abagulayo.
Hospital is a place of healing those who are sick.
Awunagcina abantu ecaweni ubagcinela into yoba bazothatha impilo kuwe awungogqirha.
You cannot keep people in church to come and get health to you. You are not a doctor.
Into yoba kuvuswe uLazaro emangcwabeni yayingumqondiso.
That Lazarus was raised was just a way for us to learn.
Ukuze abantu ababekhona bamkholwe uYesu Kristu.
So that those who were present could believe that Jesus Christ was sent.
That's why uYesu evusa uLazaro qha ebayeka bonke abanye bafe.
It is for that reason he only raised Lazarus and allowed others to die.
Ukuphilisa kwakhe umuntu owayeneqhenya.
To heal the one with leprosy.
Wayingento ayithunywe nguThixo leyo.
It is not something that he was sent by God.
Yayingumqondiso woba abantu mabahlale phansi bamamele.
It was a symbol that people need to sit down and
That
listen.
is why abantu baqhubeka begula liqhenqa zange abanyana.
That is why those who were sick of leprosy, he did not heal them.
Eyona nto wayithunyiwe
The only thing he was sent,
ukuzadiklerisha ubukumkani bukaThixo phezu komhlaba.
it was to declare the kingdom of God unto earth.
Ubukumkani bukaThixo bufike emhlabeni.
For the kingdom of God to come
Ulawula
on earth.
uthando lukaThixo noxolo lukaThixo emhlabeni.
And the love of peace and peace of God to rule over the
Ukuba
earth.
ubukumkani nolawulo lorhulumente lube sesikhantini sakhe.
So that all the government can be on his shoulders.
Utsho njalo umprofethi uIsaiah kuchapter 9 verse 6.
That is what the prophet Isaiah says.
Umbuzo uthi
The question now is,
ningasojikeleza apha ecaweni kube nini kumane kuthandazela umuntu okuthiwa nanko omnye uyagula nanko omnye
you will come to this church until when? And you will hear.
wehlule ikhwele limcima wacaba uyafa.
This one was healed, could not even be healed by a sorcerer.
Omnye uchithelelwa ngumtshato makuhambe kuyoba kwii-couples zihlanganiswe
Another one is losing his marriage. Let us prepare some time. People are fighting in the marriage.
ayiyo into Thixo asidibanisele yona leyo.
That's not what God has placed us for here.
Apha tata umfundisi,
Here, Father Reverend,
the child is born.
umntwana uzelwe
the son is given,
semnikiwe unyana
and the government shall be upon his shoulders.
wonke ke urhulumente wasemagxeni akhe.
Masimeleni lo nyaniso.
Let us stand for that truth.
Sanubuya umvapha nisoyika inyani.
Do not go back because you are afraid of the
Ewe
truth.
xa soyithathile imali karhulumente jonga imali yamathenda nekarhulumente iyafana nokudlisonka sabantu.
You know, the money of government from tenders is the same thing of eating the bread of the prisoner.
Ungcono ungawadlethele xa uba ungumntu olamba mpela.
It's better for you not to eat in jail if you really get hungry.
Kuphelile thandaza ulale.
If there's no food, just pray and sleep.
Ngoba ngokuyindoda once udlisonke usiphiwa lenye ibanjwa.
Because as a man, if you're given bread, you are eating bread given by a priest.
Ngokuyibona kuyindoda liyakutshintsha ube yinkosikazi.
Even though he sees you being a man, you will change and become a woman. And you will not return that bread.
Iyekeni into yokuthatha izonka zamabanjwa.
Stop taking the bread of the prisoners.
Zamabanjwa laphethe urhulumente.
These are the prisoners who are in charge of government.
Usana ukudla izonka zawo madoda.
Desist from eating their bread.
Ayawunijika nibe ngabafazi babo.
They will turn you and make you their women.
Abe uThixo ubethe unimisela indoda inye.
And God said He's placing one man before you.
Siyahamba ngoku siya kwi-elections.
We are now going to the elections.
Wonke umuntu olapha
Everyone who's gathered here,
thandazela ubukholo lungapheli enhliziyweni yakho.
pray that you do not stop believing in your
Ngoba
heart.
le nto inohlulayo nina basepostini.
Because what seems to trouble you, members of apostasy,
Nibiziwe kwathiwa izani nizosebenzela usindiso lomphefumulo
You were called
ababuna
to
balelo.
come and work for the salvation of your souls and those of your
Andifika
fathers.
apha nafika kuguqiswa inebo zithanjiswa.
When you came here, officers were then ordained.
Nacimbani bizelwe ukuzoba zinebo.
And you thought you were called to become officers.
Kodwa nifike kukho inebo.
However, you came here when
Nacimbani
officers like
kushota
here.
abapostile. You thought kushota abapostile.
And you thought that the apostles are quite few.
Ngoku ingathi kufunekwa le nto ukupostile.
And you think now you are owed to become an
Ngoku
apostle.
ufuna ndiblackmail umpostile oyintloko.
And you want to blackmail the chief apostle.
Uba kandinika isikhundla esithile ngendiyenze
If
ATM.
he's not giving me a particular place, I will not do
Uba
ATM.
kandinika ubu-DA ngendiyenze le nto.
If he's not making a DA,
Uba
I will
kandinika
not do
ubupostile
this.
ngendiyenze le
If
nto.
he's not giving me apostleship, I will not do this.
Kungcono ndihambe ndiyokhonza amacomrade.
It's better I go and worship the comrades.
Amacomrade azakunikwa ubu-DA bufunayo.
Are the comrades going to give you DA-ship?
Ayayazi ubu-DA yintoni.
Do they know what is it to be a DA?
Ungazukuhlala apha nje noba uhleli ngasemnyango uyawuthi uyinikwe ke.
Why don't you just stay here? Even if you stay near the door, eventually you might be given.
Xa ungayinikwanga yikuba wawungazuba yiyo.
If you are not given, it's because you are never going to be anyway.
Emadoda masike sihlalele elukholweni.
Let us now stay into the believing.
Bathi abapostile kuyesu.
And the apostle said to Jesus,
Sithini ukwenza imisebenzi kaThixo.
what shall we do to do the work of God?
Kuba babona ingathi
Because they saw as if
bangenza bhetele
they
kunaye.
could do better than him.
Uthi kubo,
He says to them,
kholwani kulowo othunyiweyo nguye.
believe unto the one who is sent by him.
Awukholwa apha kulonqubo.
Believe unto Father Nungu.
Yeke le nto yokumane uphupha ngathi iyashota inkonzo, kushota intloko apha, kushota
Stop
intloko.
this thing of sometimes dreaming and thinking that there's a shortage of leadership here.
Le nto izawukwenza uhlala uqumbile.
This thing will make you look very perturbed all the time.
Ufanini ukhehle ndide ndibe yintloko.
When is our father dying until I become the chief?
Iyawukwenza uhlala uzonda abantu abangathi basetyenziswa ngukhehle.
It will make you to hate people that you think are used by our father.
Ngokucinga babe loyal nje kuye bafuna le nto uyifunayo wena.
Because you think that they are loyal to him, they are also after what you after.
Ifuna nguwe le nto yokwintloko.
It is you who wants to become the chief apostle.
Ayifunwa nguThixo.
It is not God who wants it.
uThixo akayodwa.
God cannot
Akadalwa.
be drunk.
Akanofuna intloko ikhona.
He cannot look for the head while there's a head.
So madama uveka uditana nokulandela mani. Landela ukhethe xa. Nokuyabe masimlandeleni mani.
Just follow him. It doesn't matter where he goes.
Sukhangela into ikhona.
Don't look for something that is existing.
Uyazi abapostile bake bayenza le nto uyenzayo.
You know the apostles did this before. The first ones.
Bathi yenkosi ngowukomkhulu phakathi kwethu.
They asked, who is the bigger one unto us? Here amongst
Bazama
us?
ukuthi ke ngoku xa ufile wena.
They were trying to say, when you are dead,
Iyeka kakafe.
although he was not dead as yet.
uthi omkhulu kuni ngomncinane
He says the one who is older of you is the one who's younger. He's the one who's weak.
ngongumlungiseleli
He's the one who prepares for you.
akukho ubukhulu ubuncinci bungekho
There can never be seniority if there's no one who is under.
yebo bukhulu bufunayo
Forget about the seniority you want.
uyakwenza ungasibe mkhulu
It will make you never to be senior.
baleka uyofuna ubuncinane
Please go and look for a junior
ubuncinane
place.
obungakwenza ube mkhulu
It is that junior place that will make you senior.
hayi mna ndinibeka phezu kokhehle ndicebeki
Yes!